Musa I, or Mansa Musa, was the ninth Mansa of the Mali Empire, one of the most powerful Islamic West African states. At the time of Musa's ascension to the throne, Mali in large part consisted of the territory of the former Ghana Empire, which Mali had conquered. Elon Reeve Musk, FRS, is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He is the founder, CEO, and chief engineer at SpaceX, early-stage investor, CEO, and product architect of Tesla Incorporation, founder of the Boring Company, and the co-founder of Neuralink and OpenAI. According to Forbes and numerous sources, Elon Musk is currently worth $311 billion. Musk also currently is the first man ever to cross $300 billion. But where we look at history, history tells us that the richest man to ever live is Mansa Musa, who was worth $400 billion. This though makes him the richest man to ever live under the sunshine. Now, let's get deeper into predicting the future if Elon Musk really can hit that record. Musa's sources of wealth included selling of slaves, horses, animals, minerals like gold and diamonds, powers, and some other raids from the neighborhood. While Musk's sources of wealth currently include space technology like SpaceX, electric cars like Tesla, technology, renewable energy. Now, observing these multiple sources of income, coupled with the demand and drive of authorities and policies around the world, including the United Nations, the future of Elon Musk's wealth is just brighter than we can see, brighter than we can imagine. He is going to get wealthier and more wealthier as he solves human problems. Musk's latest intervention include electric cars, and the latest one is the Tesla truck, which is including a very new design, unique design, very nice, beautiful, hard, heavy duty, and there are a lot of chargers for the electric vehicles made by Tesla fitted around the world now. There has been an alarming issue of carbon emission by the world, where you find some countries are contributing up to 46%, which means they are 3 times bigger than the other countries in terms of carbon emission, while others are struggling in the areas painted green to emit the carbon as low as they can do that, according to the United Nations statistics. This has prompted policies to be changed. The United Nations is trying with all its level best to make sure they fight the climate change. Of course, climate change comes mostly with the negative impact. This includes COP26, which has seen many countries promising to end or reduce carbon emissions by their own set percentage at a specific year that they wish to target. Many countries around the world at COP26 fell in love with the idea of climate actions and agreed to the Glasgow Climate Pact. The Glasgow Climate Pact is an agreement to reduce unabated coal usage, which has seen larger effect on climate. These and many more regulations are moving in the direction of reducing carbon emission. That means promoting even the use of electric vehicles, cars, and motorcycles. And you know who is the best in the game right now? Tesla owner Elon Musk. If all this come to pass, we are going to see Elon Musk richer than anybody, richer than even the richest man in history. I don't mean to say Musk will be rich, richer than he himself can ever imagine, because there's a clear market for all these products. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.